Are you ready for this, man? Are you ready for this? Let's go. Welcome, 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 welcome to another episode of Let's Eat. If I seem to be out of breath, it's for two reasons. One, before I start filming, I gotta get amped up. I had a little cameo. Shake your pants. I like the way you dance. That's one reason why I'm tired. Second reason why, I'm an old song guy, man. I'm old, B. I'm old. Gotta deal with it. So today, I made a marinara the other day. Check me out. I'm gonna start off. A little bit of oil, extra olive oil, virgin olive oil. That pan nice and hot. We're gonna do shrimp and chicken. Two separate dishes, same result. Just hang in there, it's gonna be worth it. Trust me when I tell you. Let that pan heat up a little bit. And obviously I'm gonna do the chicken first because it cooks. Take a little longer to cook than the shrimp. Shrimp is quickly. So we're ready to go. My pasta's already done. I showed you before how to do that on the other episode. Got my plates out ready because it's going to be a quick one. Not going to be long. Real nice. I really enjoy doing these videos, man. I enjoy y'all rocking out with me, acting silly, having a good time. That's what it's all about. Can't take this stuff too serious, man. It's fun. It's exciting. And you got to enjoy yourself. Thanks for supporting. Like, share. Keep on being a part of this. We keep on bringing it to you. Busting my retro joint today. You can get your aprons and your mugs. Just hit me up. Coming right to you. So this pan's getting nice and hot. Now I'm going to tell you a little secret today. All of my seasonings that I need is already in here. Garlic, salt, pepper. Everything's already in here. Onions. Everything, sweet basil, fresh oregano, everything's in here. This is one of those dishes when you're tired from work, you're exhausted, don't know what to cook. Half the battle right there. Half the battle. Here we go. Let's get down. Let's get down. Remember what I told you, a lot of times people don't realize. Oh yeah. You don't realize. Put it down, put it down a little bit. Forget you. Nice. Let it do its thing. A lot of people don't realize that when you prepare yourself, do the prep work, the rest will be easy pickings. Very easy, very simple. So while that's going, start on the shrimp. Shrimp's gonna be pretty quick. Man, I was getting y'all missed. I try to show y'all as much as I can before we go start to film. I go live. Hit me up on Facebook, Woodbury. Hit me up on Let's Eat. Hit me up on IG, same thing. Let's Eat, Woodbury. Have fun, man. Have a good time. I'm doing a butterfly, that's all. Cutting down the middle. Got my boiling water right there. I'm ready to go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So, look at that. Just hit a little bit so it comes off. You let it do its thing. Get a little bit of color. A little bit of color. Let it do its thing. I'm telling you, this is a quick one. All the hard work was already been done the other day. In your marinara. We're getting ready, we're getting ready. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Y'all know I was getting it. I don't care what nobody say. I was yeah. Whatever, y'all. Yes, yes, yes. Hope you all had a great week, month, year. I'm gonna keep praying for you. Keep praying for me. I love this time we spend together, man. I love the comments. I love when I drop a video. The lights just start rolling in, man. 8 o'clock, Friday. I really love y'all, man. I appreciate y'all for rocking with the old boy. We're looking good, we're looking good. Turn me up a little bit on this. I have to keep my handles away so I can get in there and hit it. Now, when I do my pink vodka sauce, I like to use sherry. You can use vodka too, but sherry is a little sweeter too. So check me out. That's who we are, right there. Nothing funky, nothing special. All the work is already done. Let it go, let it go. Chicken over here is cooking. Oh yeah. Let it go. So, as that's working, right? I'm surprised you. I'm getting ready to plate one of these joints. Got my pasta. I like going to dance. Give the old girl a few minutes. A little sherry right here for the old girl. Be very careful. Let it cook down a little bit. There you go. Let it burn out. Let it burn out. Let it burn out. Real nice. See that? All that extra right there. Now, like I told you, the hard work is already done. Keep filming. You're gonna get that. That's why you always have your ready when you're dealing with open flames. It'll go off. Don't worry. Get a marinara. Drop it right in. Look at that. If that's going, my chicken's getting nice. And the color's getting right where I want it. Let it go. Let it do its thing, man. Don't fight it. Look at this, y'all. I'm telling you, come home from a hard day and you don't feel like cooking. You're tired. Don't feel like making it. Let me tell you something about these videos, man. I don't do no camera tricks, no cutting off, coming back. Unless we're marinating or doing something. Do a little bit of milk. Preferably heavy cream. I don't really deal with heavy cream too much. Lactose intolerant. Put cream in there. With your cheese. Come on, y'all. Look at that. It's turning pink. It's giving you the color and the flavor. I don't even have to check it. I already spent hours and hours making that marinara. It's ready to go. Let it come to a nice simmer. I'm ready to plate on this. The chicken's coming out nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Let it do its thing. Oh, they're gonna play. Oh, they're gonna messing around. I don't know why you think that. You know I don't play. I bring it to you every week. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. One more time. I told you before. Turn this off. Turn the chicken down a little bit. See that color? You want that color, man. You want that color. Don't worry about seasoning your chicken because it's going to be seasoned already. Take your pasta. Drop it in a bowl. And a little bit of that pink. Give it a quick toss. Just to keep it from sticking. Give it a nice body to it. Come on, y'all. Y'all can play if you want to. I refuse to. I refuse to. Get that old girl up nice. Lay it up nice. Get some corners. Come on, y'all. This is how you do it. I don't care what nobody tell you. I don't care what nobody say. Come on, y'all. That's what it's all about. Now you know, numero uno around here. Make sure that plate clean, because when people talk about you in the streets, they will talk about you in the streets. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Chicken's going. Over the cheese over the top. All we need for a little garnish today. Put the green in the middle. Simple, y'all. Let's eat. Let's get down. Here's one down. Chicken's ready. Chicken, oh, come on. Chicken's ready. Now you may hear my smoke alarm again. That's when you know everything's working right. What I'm gonna do, tap this window. Give me a little air. Should be okay. Get that flame, get that flame. Oh yeah. Get that flame, baby. How you do it? Burn that alcohol out of it. Keep it going, keep it going. Drop your marinara in there. Very simple. I made a marinara the other day. It's looking good. Close my window. Get it again with your heavy cream or your milk, whatever you got. Come on, y'all. Y'all can play if you want to. Now I usually don't mix up seafood and chicken, so I keep it separate if I need to. Pasta's nice and hot. Ooh, he's ready to go. Let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. I'm telling y'all, man. Do the work. Do the work. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Get up in here, y'all. Get up in here. Let it simmer a little bit. When I tell you, look at that. It's probably the shortest video we ever did. This is the importance of watching every video. This is the importance of being dedicated to say, I want to cook. I want to feed my family. I want to, learn more things, be more inspired to cook different stuff. Gotta watch these videos. Gotta watch them. Hit it in there. Hit it in there. Oh yeah. Do a little twirl. Nothing major. I promise y'all, it's nothing major. See, the thing to it is, you let it simmer a little bit. You let it simmer. It's gonna be on point. Now check me out. Make sure that plate is looking pretty. Can't have no ugly plates around here, man. Can't nobody say. No ugly plates. I'd rather the food not taste good than the plate be ugly. Check me out. Check me out, y'all. This is the importance of these videos. This is the importance of trying to keep up with all of them. One thing is going to make several different things for you. We made a marinara the other day. Oh yeah. It's very important, y'all. I'm going to keep doing it. I'm going to keep bringing it to you. I love you. I appreciate you. This is it. Enjoy your food. Have a good time. Stay tuned. More coming. I love you. We appreciate you. Let's eat. Come on.